In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on Airbnb. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your check-in details and how to use them, whether you're letting yourself in, meeting a host, or stopping by a front desk. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone or the website in your browser. If you're traveling, it's a good idea to sign in beforehand and make sure you can access your booking even if reception is spotty. Once you're in, head to Trips. On mobile, you'll see it along the bottom. On desktop, look for it in the top menu. Select the reservation for your upcoming stay. If you have more than one, double check the dates and city so you're opening the right one. Inside your reservation, look for the host check-in instructions and read them carefully. This section is your roadmap for arrival. You'll typically see the exact address, how to enter, like a door code or where to find a key, Wi-Fi details, and parking guidance. Many hosts also include a house manual or a digital guidebook. It's smart to review these the day before your trip, save the instructions for offline access, and take a quick screenshot of any codes or directions so you have them handy. Most listings use self-check-in. If that's the case, you might get a keypad code, smart lock instructions, or a lockbox code for a key. Follow the steps exactly as written. Enter the provided code on the keypad, use the app or device the host specifies for a smart lock, or locate the lockbox where described and return the key there when you're done. Keep any codes private, and note the check-in window. Many locks won't open before your scheduled time. Some hosts prefer to meet you in person. In those cases, the instructions usually ask you to message when you arrive and confirm a check-in time. Use the Airbnb message thread to share your estimated arrival time and keep your phone handy when you get close so you don't miss any updates. If your place has a reception or front desk, plan to show your booking confirmation and present a valid ID. This is common for condo-style or hotel-like buildings managed through Airbnb. The staff will verify your stay and hand over keys or access cards. If anything is unclear or a code isn't working, message your host directly in the app so everything stays documented. And that's it. Open Airbnb, go to Trips, select your reservation, and carefully follow the check-in instructions provided for your listing. Safe travels and enjoy your stay.